Are you looking for the best pet grooming vacuum kits? In this video, we will look at some of the 5 best pet grooming vacuum kits on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. The Oneisall Dog Hair Vacuum. The Oneisall Dog Hair Vacuum and Dog Grooming Kit is an all-in-one grooming solution designed to keep your pet well-groomed while maintaining a clean home environment. This 7-in-1 kit combines grooming and vacuuming functions, effectively collecting up to 99% of pet hair into its 1.5-liter detachable dust cup, reducing mess and simplifying the grooming process. Own pets. Key features. Comprehensive grooming tools. The kit includes 7 professional grooming tools: a grooming brush, de-shedding tool, electric clipper, paw trimmer, nail grinder, nozzle head, and cleaning brush. These attachments cater to various grooming needs, ensuring a thorough grooming experience for your pet. Dual functionality. The cordless clippers, paw trimmer, and nail grinder can be used independently without connecting to the vacuum hose, allowing for flexible grooming sessions anywhere. Alternatively, they can be used in conjunction with the vacuum to collect hair as you groom. Amazon. +2. Own pets. +2. Best reviews guide. +2. Low noise operation. Operating at a noise level of approximately 60 dB with 3 adjustable suction levels, the device is designed to minimize stress for pets during grooming sessions. Best reviews guide. User-friendly design. The 1.5-liter detachable dust cup is 25% larger than those of similar products, reducing the need for frequent emptying. The kit also includes a storage bag and storage board for easy organization of all accessories. Own pets. +1. Amazon. +1. Customer feedback. The Oneisall Dog Grooming Kit has received positive reviews from users. On Walmart's website, it holds a 4.5 out of 5 stars rating based on 101 customer reviews. Users have praised its effectiveness and quiet operation. One customer noted, "This product is one of the best investments I have ever made. It really does cut and vacuum up hair so well." Own pets. Walmart.com. Another reviewer highlighted the device's ease of use and the comfort it provided to their pet during grooming sessions. However, some users mentioned a desire for a larger dust container and noted that the vacuum could be quieter. Conclusion. The Oneisall Dog Hair Vacuum and Dog Grooming Kit offers a versatile and user-friendly solution for pet grooming at home. Its combination of grooming tools and vacuum functionality helps maintain a clean environment while ensuring your pet's comfort. While some users have noted minor areas for improvement, the overall feedback suggests that this kit is a valuable investment for pet owners seeking an efficient grooming solution. Number 2. UBROBO Dog Grooming Vacuum. The UBROBO Dog Grooming Vacuum, model PG10, is a comprehensive grooming solution designed to keep your pet well-groomed while maintaining a clean home environment. Abunda. Buy now. Pay later. +4. Best reviews guide. +4. Dog Sun. +4. Key features. Powerful suction. Equipped with a 12,000 Pascal suction capability and a HEPA filter, this grooming vacuum captures up to 99% of loose pet hair and tiny particles during grooming sessions, effectively reducing shedding and improving indoor air quality. Snap click. +3. Dog Sun. +3. The retail market. +3. All-in-one grooming kit. The package includes 4 essential grooming tools. Dog Sun. Dog clippers. Comes with 6 adjustable guard combs, ranging from 3 mm to 24 mm, suitable for trimming various areas of your dog's coat. Best reviews guide. +5. Dog Sun. +5. The retail market. +5. De-shedding brush. Helps reduce shedding and prevent hair tangles. The retail market. +3. Snap click. +3. Kate Minimalist. +3. Grooming brush. Assists in untangling knots and removing loose hairs. Dog Sun. Vacuum function. Simultaneously trims and vacuums hair, minimizing mess. Adjustable suction levels. Features 3 suction settings, allowing you to customize the grooming experience based on your pet's comfort. The extended 5.2-foot hose and 13.4-foot power cord provide flexibility, enabling you to groom your pet in various locations while keeping them at a comfortable distance from the motor noise. Best Reviews Guide. +4. Kate Minimalist. +4. The Retail Market. +4. Low Noise Operation. Operating at approximately 60 dB, the vacuum is designed to minimize noise, reducing the likelihood of causing anxiety or discomfort to your pet during grooming sessions. User-friendly design. The detachable 1.4-liter dust cup is easy to empty, making it suitable for small to medium-sized dogs. Its compact and lightweight design ensures convenient storage and handling, making it an essential tool for multi-pet households. Best Reviews Guide. +5. Kate Minimalist. +5. The Retail Market. +5. Customer Feedback. Users have praised the UBROBO dog grooming vacuum for its efficiency and convenience. According to Best Reviews Guide, the device's powerful suction and comprehensive grooming tools make it a valuable investment for pet owners seeking an efficient and stress-free grooming solution. Abunda. Buy now. Pay later. +4. Dog Sun. +4. Best Reviews Guide. +4. Best Reviews Guide. Conclusion. The UBROBO Dog Grooming Vacuum, model PG10, offers a versatile and user-friendly solution for at-home pet grooming. Its combination of powerful suction, essential grooming tools, adjustable settings, and low-noise operation provides a comfortable grooming experience for both pets and their owners, while effectively managing shedding and maintaining a clean living space. Number 3. Oneisall Cozy C18 in 1 Pet Grooming Vacuum. The Oneisall Cozy C18 in 1 Pet Grooming Vacuum and Dryer Kit is a comprehensive grooming solution designed to keep your pet well-groomed while maintaining a clean home environment. Oneisall. +1. Oneisall. +1. Key features. All-in-one functionality. This versatile device combines a warm air dryer, grooming vacuum, and clipper, allowing you to shed, wash, dry, and trim your pet's hair at home. Oneisall. +1. Amazon. +1. Powerful suction. With a suction power of 12,000 pascals, the vacuum effectively captures up to 99% of hair and debris during grooming sessions. Oneisall. Low noise operation. Operating at noise levels under 60 dB, it reduces stress and protects your pet's hearing during grooming sessions. Adjustable settings. The device offers adjustable speed and temperature controls, providing flexibility to cater to your pet's comfort and specific grooming needs. Versatile attachments. The kit includes multiple grooming tools tailored for different coat types and grooming needs, such as clippers, brushes, and de-shedding tools. User-friendly design. Features like a 2-liter detachable dust cup for easy emptying and simple controls enhance the grooming experience for pet owners. Customer feedback. Users have praised the Oneisall Dog Grooming Vacuum for its efficiency and convenience. One customer noted, "This product is one of the best investments I have ever made. It really does cut and vacuum up hair so well." Number 4. Neakasa P1 Pro Pet Grooming Kit and Vacuum. The Neakasa P1 Pro Pet Grooming Kit and Vacuum is an all-in-one grooming solution designed to keep your pets well-groomed while maintaining a clean home environment. This kit combines multiple grooming tools with a vacuum function that captures up to 99% of pet hair, reducing mess and making the grooming process more efficient. Key features. Comprehensive grooming tools. The kit includes 5 proven grooming tools. Grooming brush. Removes loose hair and dander, promoting a healthier coat. De-shedding brush. Effectively reduces shedding by removing loose undercoat hair. Electric clippers. Provides excellent cutting performance for precise grooming. Nozzle head and cleaning brush. Assist in collecting pet hair from carpets, sofas, and floors. Pet Pro. +1. Teletalk BD. +1. Adjustable clipping combs. Comes with 5 comfort guard combs, 3mm/6mm/12mm/18mm/24mm. Suitable for trimming hair of different lengths, allowing for customized grooming. Neakasa. +2. Teletalk BD. +2. Pet Pro. +2. Low noise design. Engineered to operate with minimal noise, helping pets feel at ease during grooming sessions. Neakasa. Efficient hair collection. The vacuum function collects up to 99% of pet hair into a 1-liter capacity container while trimming and brushing, keeping your home clean and free from fur. Best Reviews Guide. +2. Teletalk BD. +2. Pet Pro. +2. Customer Feedback. The Neakasa P1 Pro has received positive reviews from users. On Walmart, it holds a 4.7 out of 5 stars rating based on 111 reviews, with customers praising its effectiveness and quiet operation. Walmart.com. One user shared, "I have 2 woolly mammoth Rottweilers who blow their coats at least twice a year. To my amazement, this works wonderfully." Walmart.com. Another reviewer mentioned, "I absolutely love this grooming tool. We use it for brushing as well as clipping hair. Sure does keep hair from flying off our German Shepherd when we pet her." Walmart.com. Conclusion. The Neakasa P1 Pro Pet Grooming Kit and Vacuum offers a versatile and efficient solution for at-home pet grooming. Its combination of grooming tools and vacuum functionality helps maintain a clean environment while ensuring your pet's comfort. Positive customer reviews highlight its effectiveness, ease of use, and quiet operation, making it a valuable investment for pet owners seeking an all-in-one grooming solution. Number 5. Bunfly Dog Hair Vacuum. The Bunfly Dog Hair Vacuum and Grooming Kit is a comprehensive solution designed to facilitate at-home pet grooming while maintaining a clean environment. This 16-in-1 kit combines powerful suction capabilities with a variety of grooming tools to effectively remove up to 99% of pet hair. Key features. Powerful suction. Equipped with a 13,000 kPa motor, the vacuum efficiently captures loose hair and debris during grooming sessions, reducing shedding and keeping your home cleaner. Comprehensive grooming tools. The kit includes 16 versatile attachments such as electric clippers, various combs, brushes, and cleaning tools, catering to different grooming needs for dogs, cats, and other animals. Large capacity dust cup. Featuring a 3.5-liter dust cup, the vacuum allows for extended grooming sessions without frequent emptying, making it suitable for multiple pets or larger breeds. Best Reviews Guide. Low noise operation. Designed with noise reduction technology, the device operates at approximately 60 dB, minimizing stress and anxiety for pets during grooming. Versatile use. Beyond pet grooming, the vacuum can be utilized for home cleaning tasks, effectively removing pet hair from furniture, carpets, and clothing. Bunflypet.com. Customer Feedback. Users have praised the Bunfly Dog Grooming Kit for its efficiency and ease of use. On Amazon, the product holds a 4.5 out of 5 stars rating based on 425 customer reviews. Customers appreciate the powerful suction, variety of attachments, and the convenience of grooming pets at home. Some users have noted that the device is relatively quiet, which helps keep their pets calm during grooming sessions. Conclusion. The Bunfly Dog Hair Vacuum and Grooming Kit offers a versatile and user-friendly solution for pet owners seeking to manage shedding and maintain a clean home. Its combination of powerful suction, extensive grooming tools, and thoughtful design features make it a valuable investment for effective at-home pet grooming.